The euro versus US dollar moved higher in trading last week, and it's off to a modest corrective move in trading here today. It is a US holiday, so activity is quiet, but I'll go through the technicals that are driving this currency pair and speak a little bit about what we may expect this week, so let's get started. Looking at the 4-hour chart of the euro versus US dollar, and in trading last week on Monday in the Asian session, we traded near the low for the week before moving higher and then back down to a new low for the week before basing and starting its rotation to the upside. That moved to the upside, took the price back above. This is the 200 and 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, but also swing areas through here, here, and up through here. This one is probably the most important in that it has a number of different swing lows and swing highs coming into play through here, 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 here. We moved below the level right through here and then started to use this area as a resistance through here, here. We moved above this area through here, extending to the high price for the year up through here before rotating back to the downside and using this level as resistance here and here. And as you can see in trading last week, came up to that high of the swing area, initially found willing sellers against that level, but the correction was only modest, and we started to rotate back to the upside, closing near the high for the week. So opened at the low, closed near the high, and in trading here today, what are we seeing? We're seeing a rotation back to the downside, and that rotation to the downside has moved back toward this key swing area as outlined in the just a little few seconds ago. So this area is going to be the initial support level for trading this week. It comes between 1.0453 and 1.04677. If the price can stay above this level, then the bias remains more to the upside. We can anticipate a move toward this swing area up here between 1.0552, 1.0543. Ultimately, however, if the price is to continue its move to the upside, I always like to look for a rotation toward the 38.2% retracement of the trend move to the downside. This is a trend move to the downside from the September high to the January low. That 38.2 comes into 1.0572, and as you can see, the 100-day moving average is a day or so away from catching up with that 38.2% retracement. So if we can imagine going forward and more bullish bias continuing for the euro versus US dollar, i.e. staying above this swing area, then we can anticipate a move perhaps toward this 38.2% retracement, toward the 100-day moving average at the same time, and we'll see what happens there. That would be a key target to the upside for the euro versus US dollar. It could be the swinging level for either more bullish going forward or more bearish going forward. So be aware of that potential and that magnet, if you will, toward those levels. Now, all bets are off if we start to move below this level and start to see further momentum, including a break below this level between 1.0432 and 1.0444. Break below that level, and we start to look back to where our moving averages through here, maybe even this swing here area at 1.0405. That 1.0405 level is 50% midpoint of the range since 2022 in the euro versus US dollar. So remember that level as well. So there you have it, a look at the euro versus US dollar to kickstart your trading day. Key support being tested off the correction today. We'll see if that level can hold and push the price further higher and keep that momentum going that we saw started last week. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.